guys, this is BMX Sapient, and here's my first buy check on my Sapient. So here we have red Odie grips, stock Sapient handlebars, stock tires, stock hubs. Here I have a stock Sapient seat. I don't know if you can see that very well, but yeah. Stock pedals. And see here I have, I don't know if you can see it, but I have 3-piece cranks. I have, oh there we go. I have regular tires, I have my original forks, and my cam seat chain, my 25 9-tooth sprocket, stock hub, stunt pegs, stock front hub, and stunt pegs. My headset is a Sapient stock. Everything is just stock because I got it today. Stock brakes, stock seat post and clamp. And yeah. Well, subscribe to BMX Sapient. Thanks.